We love sharing good news, so when one of our customers says something great about us and experiences our 5-star customer service, we have to share it. Here's what one of them had to say.
Blackwell, a heating and AC repair contractor serving Stockton, California, went beyond what was necessary to correct the problem that a previous air conditioning company did. Very professional and committed to maintaining a high level of respect and reputation. I will use Blackwell from now on to maintain my HVAC system without hesitation. Highly recommended.
And as much as we love earning our 5-star reviews from our existing customers, we also love earning 5-star reviews from our new customers. We want to earn one from you. We appreciate you taking the time to drop in on us today. You can contact us anytime at the number on your screen. We hope to see you soon.